Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a new number family. All right, so today we're going to talk about the 30 family. This is the number 30. In the ones place is a 0, and in the tens place is the number 3. So think about when someone comes in third place, that is a 3. 30. 30. All right. Well, you can hear the word almost, you can almost hear the whole word third, but it has that E sound at the end. 30. All right. So let's count 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. All right. So let's look at all of the numbers in the 30 family. Okay, so when we say these numbers, when you see this one, you're just going to call it 30. But when you see the rest of them, you're going to say 30 and then the number that comes after in the ones place. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Good. Bye, friends.